Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening a video and tapping the gear icon. This is where immediate player options live. Once done, check that your browser allows autoplay and picture-in-picture, because those permissions affect behavior. Make a quick decision about default quality and captions now, since changing them here saves time. Also verify hardware acceleration in browser settings. It impacts smooth playback and performance. Move on as soon as you've set these basics. This prepares you for deeper account and device-level changes. Now you adjust the complex account-linked options. Go to YouTube settings and open Playback to set default quality and data saver. This controls bandwidth and consistent resolution. For captions, customize font, size, background opacity, and language priority so they match accessibility needs. This matters for viewers. On mobile, change double-tap skip duration, HDR behavior, and toggle streaming only on Wi-Fi to avoid data overages. Make these changes deliberately, because they persist across sessions and devices. Finish by testing your new settings on desktop, the mobile app, and a smart TV. Consistency matters. If something doesn't apply, clear your browser and app cache, then reload the video. Cached files often block updates. If issues persist, reset player preferences to default and reconfigure only the features you need. Also inspect browser extensions, VPN, or firewall rules because they frequently override playback behavior. If a single tip helps, clear cache first. Then compare behavior across devices to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.